Nonplus is a verb and a noun with distinct but related meanings. As a verb, it means to bewilder, confuse, or perplex someone to the point where they are unsure how to respond. As a noun, it refers to the state of being utterly baffled or at a loss for words. Origins of nonplus. The word nonplus comes from the Latin phrase nonplus, meaning no more or no further. This reflects the idea of someone being so puzzled that they can't think or act further. It was adopted into English in the late 16th century and has retained its meaning of extreme bewilderment. How to use nonplus. Nonplus is typically used in formal or literary contexts to describe situations where someone is rendered speechless or completely confused, often by something unexpected or unusual. As a verb, the sudden question nonplussed her, leaving her searching for an answer. His contradictory instructions nonplus everyone on the team. As a noun, she stared at him in complete nonplus, unable to comprehend his strange behavior. The magician's trick left the audience in nonplus, wondering how it was done. Similar words. Confound, to perplex or amaze someone, especially by acting against their expectations. Baffle, to cause someone to be unable to understand or explain something. Perplex, to confuse or puzzle, especially with complexity or ambiguity. Nuances of nonplus. While nonplus traditionally implies a state of bewilderment, it's important to note that modern misuse has led some to think it means unimpressed or unaffected, which is incorrect. The proper usage always denotes confusion or being at a loss. In essence, nonplus captures moments of profound puzzlement, when one is stopped in their tracks by something unexpected or inexplicable. It emphasizes the limits of comprehension in the face of surprising or perplexing situations. Subscribe